Young World, what's the deal? It's your boy, Original, back with another one for y'all. Check this out. Today on my YouTube channel, I wanted to share how to report your rent to the credit bureaus. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for the channel. Now, I wanted to share this information, how to report your rent to the credit bureaus, because reporting your rent to credit bureaus can dramatically change your credit score. Now, I know it's a lot of people out there paying their rent on time, anywhere from $500 to $2,400 per month, and it's not being reported to the credit bureaus. And to me, it's honestly a setup, because it leaves you stuck in this position where you aren't able to leverage, your credit score to get anything in life. There's millions of people paying rent on time and they don't get their rent reported to the credit bureau. So on this video, I'm making this video for y'all because I've been doing this for the past year and it dramatically changed my credit score. And I'm about to share some free services first. Free services you could use to report your rent, right? And after that, I'm gonna go over some paid services. It's really up to you based on the user interface. I'm gonna tell y'all exactly which one I use that you could pick. It has a mobile app that you can go on and register with. But I'm gonna show you all of the different companies that report your rent, because you can't report your rent yourself. You have to get one of these companies to report your rent, but it gets reported to all of the three major credit bureaus when you report your rent. And once again, this will dramatically change your credit score, allowing you to get approved for the loan for the home, or the loan for the car, or the credit card that you want, So I just want to share this with my people, because based on this article I'm reading, less than 1% of people report their rent to the credit bureaus annually. And these large residual on-time payments can dramatically affect your credit score. So on this video, I just wanted to share this with my people to help y'all, to put y'all in a better position for the future, man, because everything we do right now is preparing our future, is bettering our future. So the first rent reporting app, I use, or I would recommend, this is the one I personally use, is Isuzu. Now, they report your rent, and the thing I like about Isuzu is they go back, they actually backdate it. So from the time you sign up, it takes about 2 to 8 weeks for it to go through. Once they go through and they have all your information, it's automatic, and they'll report it to the credit bureaus, right? But they'll actually backdate it. I believe it's a small fee. I think it was like $40 or something like that. 40, maybe $80 I paid to get my rent backdated for months, the months that they didn't track. And that all went on my credit report, and that made my payment history look better. So this is the main one I use, Isuzu. You could also, property managers, man. If you own multiple family houses, or if you are in real estate and you are thinking about selling your rental properties, why not add an incentive to, your tenants, telling them that their rent will be reported to the credit bureaus? You can sign up as a property manager. This is something I'm going to do, when I own multiple family houses and apartments. This is something I'm going to add in as an incentive to my tenants. And I just want to throw that out there for anybody that's already on that path, So the next rental reporting service is Zingo, right? Boost your credit score with your rent payments for free, man. You can use Zingo, and it reports to Equifax and TransUnion. This is another company I recommend. It's another free company, I should say. This is another free rental reporting company. You can sign up just like Isuzu. It has a mobile app, so you can go in, you can sign up, right from your phone, do everything, submit your rent. It's all good. So yeah, that's Zingo. Now next, we got Rent Reporters. Now, Rent Reporters is a paid service, right? But it's a good service. It's a lot of people use this service. Has a lot of ratings, and basically, you would report your rent. You come on here, you pay. It's a pricing. Let's see what the pricing is. So the sign up fee is $94.95, and then it's $10 a month for monthly rent. Now you may think like, man, that's a lot of money. I don't want to pay $10 every time I pay my rent, but I'm telling you, it's good on your credit report because, I don't know where you stay at, but here in Michigan, average rent is about $1,200. You can find hidden gems, $750, $850, $1,000, but the average rent is around, let's just say $750 to $1,200. So, you're paying that every single month, every month, a $1,200 payment or a $750 payment is being reported on your rent as on time. It'll increase your credit score. Like they even say it right here. Hold on, let's go to the main page. They said 40 points in 10 days. That's huge. That's huge to go from 40 points, like the average increase on people. And the thing about this whole rent reporting thing is that the average people who pay their rent on time, they don't have a good credit score, because the landlords, they don't report the rent. And I think, it's a great way to incentivize your tenants to pay on time. If you told them they were reporting their rent, or even if you had this set up on your own, forget the landlord, if you had this set up on your own, it would incentivize you to pay your rent on time, because that money is now turned into an investment into your future credit score that can put you in a better position, to get approved for the nice house, the nice car, the credit card, to put you in a more well-off position in life. These services, man, I wish I would have knew about this earlier. I just found out about it last year, but I wish I would have knew about it earlier so I could share it with y'all and so that we could apply it, because definitely in the African American community, it's a lot of rent being paid and it's not being reported, and that's a lot of low credit scores, a lot of large down payments, and it's a cycle of poverty, man. So I just want to, break the generational curse. A lot of people tell us, oh, buy a house, do this, do that, but they don't really give us a real solution if we can't do that. Like, so if you can't buy a house right now and you want to financially put yourself in a better position, why not start reporting your rent? Now, next rental service is Rental Karma. Good renters deserve good credit. That's their motto on Rental Karma. And you can see Rental Karma, the thing about Rental Karma, it just has a nice interface. I should say that if you really care about that, but has a nice interface. And you see, you can add past rent payments. It reports to TransUnion and Equifax. This company, they also have a price, right? Renters and landlords can join this service. This company has a price though. Let's see if we can find their price. Let's go back. Looks like it take them from the time you sign up, takes them about 2 weeks to start reporting. So one-time fee of $50 includes 6 months of past rent history. Ongoing rent is $8.95. So this is a little better than the price of rent reporters. Recommended add-ons. They have a one-time fee of $60 to report your entire rental history. Wow, that's sweet. $25 fee to add your spouse or roommate. So if you're living with your spouse or roommate and you want them basically as an authorized user, you can basically make them an authorized user, or a resident, within the house, and it will also report on their credit report. So, and their credit score is going to improve. So this is like a win-win company right here. $5 monthly fee for spouse. So you just have to pay the $5. And like I said, these prices, you may see these prices like, man, it's too much. You know what I'm saying? If it's too much, just go with the free service. I recommend Isuzu and Zingo. You know what I'm saying? They still report the same way. You just have to get registered. Isuzu, it got a little markup, you know, for the past rental history, but it's worth it to get all of the rental payments reported. You want all of those rental payments reported. It could boost your credit score 40, 50 points, man. My credit score, when I started, my credit score literally boosted 64 points, man. Like, out of the 500s to the high 600s, quick. So I'm just letting y'all know this information, putting it out there for y'all. You know, the two free services, Isuzu and Zingo. Two paid are Rent Reporters and Rental Karma. Now y'all see the prices for Rental Karma. You know, rental or Rent Reporters, it's $100, $10 a month. Rent Karma is $50. After that, $8.95 or $9 a month. Easy to sign up. Once you sign up, rent will start being reported. It's for everybody, all my young people, all my older people out there renting. You know, consider reporting your rent payments, man, because like I said, less than 1% of people file their rent or report their rent to the credit bureaus. And these are very large on-time payments, you know, consistent payments that will improve your payment history to all of the credit bureaus. Put yourself in a better position financially for you and your family in the future, right? Remember, everything you're doing today is, you know, better in your future, or everything you're doing today is creating your future. So by you setting this up today, you know, the next 12 months are going to be better for you because you're going to have financial improvement, you know, and you'll be able to help your family and do more. So I recommend reporting your rent payments. You know, it won't hurt, you know, you're gonna pay your rent anyway. You know, I would feel crazy trying to pay my rent after learning this information. So it's your boy Young World. That's my video for the day. I hope it was helpful. I hope this was insightful. I hope you learned how to report your rent to the credit bureaus. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for the support on my channel.